Hello children, now let us move to exercise 12.1 which discusses on the basis of the previous video about concept of ratio. The first question, there are 20 girls and 15 boys in a class. What is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys? So there is a classroom in which there are 20 girls and 15 boys. We should represent them in the form of ratio in question A. So ratio is a representation in the form of division. So number of girls is 20. Number of boys is 15. We can write it as 20 by 15, which in turn get cancelled in fifth table as 4 by 3. You can write it as 4:3. The ratio of girls to all students is the second part of the question. So number of girls is 20. What is the number of students' strength? 20 plus 15, that is 35. So 20 by 35. Again, they get cancelled in fifth table. You get 4 by 7. You can write it as 4:7. Question 2. Out of 30 students in a class, 6 like football, 12 like cricket, and remaining like tennis. So there is a classroom in which there are 30 students. Among 30 students, 6 of them like football, 12 like cricket. How many like tennis then? So total strength minus number of football likers minus number of cricket likers. So 30 minus 6 minus 12 is 12 again. So number of students who like tennis is 12. Now go to the first question. Number of students liking football to number of students liking tennis. So football is to tennis. Football how many? 6. Tennis how many students? 12. So it is 6 by 12. In sixth table when I cancel it becomes 1 by 2 which is equal to 1:2. Question B. The ratio of the number of students liking cricket to the total number of students. So total number of students who like cricket are 12. Total students in the class is 30. So 12 by 30. When you cancel using sixth table, 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30. You get 2 by 5 which is equal to 2:5. Now see the figure given there and you should find the ratio. The number of triangles to the number of circles inside the rectangle. So how many triangles are there? 3. How many rectangles are there? 2. So 3 by 2 which can be written as 3:2. Question B. The number of squares to all the figures inside the rectangle. So first, how many squares are there? 2. Second, divided by number of figures on the whole. How many figures are there totally? 7. So 2 by 7 which can be written as 2:7. Third question, number of circles to all the figures inside the rectangle. So number of circles how many? 2 circles are there and total figures are 7. 2 by 7 can be written as 2:7. Question 4. Distance traveled by Hamid and Akhtar in an hour is 9 km and 12 km. Find the ratio of the speed of Hamid to the speed of Akhtar. So here you see there are two boys, Hamid and Akhtar. Each are traveling different kilometers in 1 hour itself. Here Hamid is traveling 9 km in an hour. Akhtar is traveling 12 km in an hour. So we need to find the speed of them both and then you should write in the form of ratio. We know speed is equal to distance by time. So speed of Hamid will be, Hamid is traveling 9 kilometers. So distance is 9 by 1 hour, that is 9 km per hour. Speed of Akhtar will be 12 by 1, that is 12 km per hour. Now ratio of Hamid to Akhtar will be 9 by 12. Both goes in third table. So 3 by 4. You get cancelled. Your answer is 3:4. Fifth one. It is a fill in the blanks question. Fill in the following blanks. 15 by 18 is equal to dash by 6 is equal to 10 by dash is equal to dash by 30. Now you see the first box. 15 by 18 is equal to dash by 6. This 18 is changed into 6. How? Using third table if you cancel 3 6 are 18. Similarly numerator also cancel by 3. So 3 5s are 15. So you get the answer as 5. Now 5 by 6 is equal to 10 by dash. You see 5 became 10. How? When you multiply into 2, 5 2s are 10. 6 also you should do the same. So 6 into 2 is 12. You get 10 by 12. Now for the last dash, 10 by 12 is equal to dash by 30. Now 12 became 30. How 12 will become 30? The same way 12 you and 10, you should cancel first. Okay, when you cancel, they become 5 by 6, isn't it? 5 by 6. 6 into 5 is 30. So 10 into 5 will, 5 into 5 will be 25. You get 25 by 30. Question 6. Find the ratio of the following. You should find the ratio. 81 to 108. So 81 by 108 you can write. Then you can cancel them. If you can cancel and reduce the terms, you should reduce it. So here I'm not going to do the cancellations for you. You are going to do, because we have discussed how to do cancellation many times. So 81 by 108 will become 3:4. You need to find how it is. You should cancel and find it out. Ratio of 98 to 63. When you cancel 98 by 63, you get 14 by 9. Third one, 33 by 121. So 33 by 125 or 21, on reducing you'll get 3 by 11, which can be written as 3:11. Question D, 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So 30 by 45. You're going to reduce them using any one table so that you get the answer as 2:3. Similarly, here you see question number 7. It is also to find the ratio of the following ones. First, 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now notice here, 30 minutes and other one is 1 hour, isn't it? So when the units are different, you cannot find the ratio. So what we are doing, we need to convert them. So see the first one, 30 minutes to 1 hour. This 1 hour can be converted to minutes. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So instead of 1 hour, we are writing 60 minutes. So we get 30 minutes to 60 minutes. That is 30 by 60. When cancelling, you get 1:2. Question B, 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. So centimeter is there, meter is there. So we need to convert this meter into centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. So 1.5 meter is equal to 1.5 into 100. That is 150 centimeter. Now how the answer comes? 40 centimeter is to 150 centimeter. So on cancelling, you get 4 by 15. That can be written as 4:15. See question C, 55 pies to 1 rupee. We know 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. So 55 is to 100. We will get 55 by 100. On cancelling, we get 11 by 20. Question D, 500 milliliter to 2 liters. One is milliliter, the other one is liter. So we will convert here. 2 liters can be converted. First, 1 liter is equal to how many milliliter? 1000 milliliter. So 2 liters will be equal to 2000 milliliter. We can write it as 500 milliliter by 2000 milliliter. So 500 by 2000, on cancelling we get 1 by 4. The ratio will be 1:4. Question 8. In a year, Seema earns rupees 1,50,000 and saves 50,000. Okay, Seema is a person who is earning 1,50,000 per month. Among that, 50,000 she is saving. So now we are going to find a ratio of money that Seema earns to the money she saves. So what she is earning to what she is saving. How it is? 1,50,000 is to 50,000. Okay, so when you are reducing, you will get 3 by 1. You can write it as 3:1. Money that she saves to the money she spends. So how much she is saving? 50,000. How much she will be spending? 1,50,000 minus 50,000. Okay, amount total earning minus what she saves is her expense, is the money she spent. So that is 1 lakh. So how you will write? The money she saves is 50,000 by she spends is 1 lakh. 50,000 by 1 lakh. On reducing, you get 1 by 2. You can write it as 1:2. Question 9. There are 102 teachers in a school of 3,300 students. Find the ratio of the number of teachers to the number of students. So your number of teachers is how many? 102 by number of students is 3,300. So on reducing, you get 17 by 550, which can be written as 17 is to 550. Question 10. In a college, out of 4,320 students, 2,300 are girls. Now, find the ratio of number of girls to the number of students. So total number of students also we know, number of girls also we know, isn't it? So, how many boys will be there? Simple calculation, just subtract 4,320 minus 2,300, you get 2,020. How many girls are there? 2,300. How many boys are there? 2,020 boys. Total strength is 4,320. Okay, keeping this in mind, first one, number of girls to the number of students. So number of girls we know, it is 2,300 by 4,320. So you're going to reduce them to get 115 by 216, which can be written as 115 is to 216. Question B, ratio of boys to the girls. Boys versus girls. So boys, how much we saw? It is 2,020. Girls 2,300. So both the numbers you need to reduce using any table. It's your convenient, but it should be similar. And finally, you should come to the answer 101 by 115. So that 101 is to 115 remains the ratio. Question T. See, the number of boys to the total number of students. Number of boys is 2,020. Total strength is 4,320. So 2020 by 4,320, you will reduce and come to an answer 101 is to 216.